Hello and welcome. I'm Saeed from storyplanet.net. Dive right into the essence of the most captivating books without reading them cover to cover. Whether you're on the go, at the gym, or just relaxing at home, we offer you a unique and enriching listening experience. Today, we are exploring the book Ending Aging, a creation by Aubrey de Grey. Ending Aging, 2007, presents an intriguing theory on how science could potentially enable humans to decelerate the progression of time and, consequently, the aging process. Discover the mechanisms within our bodies that contribute to aging, disease, and cancer, and explore how modern science may potentially eradicate these issues forever. Before we delve into these revelations, it's interesting to note that Aubrey de Grey, PhD, serves as the Chief Science Officer and Chairman of the Methuselah Foundation. As a biomedical gerontologist, he is vigorously engaged in the battle against aging. He devised the SENS program with the goal of halting the aging process. At present, he arranges conferences and workshops to facilitate additional research in this field. Dr. de Grey's research assistant is Michael Rae. Previously, Michael was a board member of the Calorie Restriction Society and significantly contributed to their practical guide. Furthermore, he has been involved in a partner study exploring the viability of implementing calorie restriction in humans. With 7 key ideas to unveil, brace yourself for a deep dive into this captivating book on storyplanet.net. To start, this text is a statement that suggests a desire to learn how to prevent aging and avoid death. The text discusses the author's desire to end aging and his 7-step program to counter it. It mentions the importance of avoiding free radicals, the debunking of a myth about graves glowing in the dark, and methods to eliminate cancer. Key idea number 1. The text raises the question of whether aging is an inevitable part of human life. The author believes that aging can be solved like any other ailment and has developed a program called SENS, Strategies for Engineered Negligible Senescence, to stop aging. This program aims to prevent mitochondrial mutations, clear up disease-promoting proteins, and prevent DNA mutation. Lack of funding is a challenge, but if it comes through, the author predicts a 50% chance of stopping death from old age. Most scientists agree that aging is inevitable, but the bodily damage causing aging may be repairable. Key idea number 2. Preventing aging is a complex process that is often difficult to achieve. It is generally better to focus on prevention rather than trying to reverse the effects of aging. The text discusses the 2 approaches to solving problems: prevention and cure. In the field of medicine, cures are often favored over prevention, but this has drawbacks. Prevention can be complicated as it requires identifying the cause of the problem. Repairing the damage is an alternative approach that can have significant benefits. The text suggests that by focusing on repair, we can increase the remaining lifespan by multiple times. The author specifically proposes fixing mitochondrial mutation as a starting point for repairing the body's damage. Key idea number 3. Mitochondrial mutations contribute to aging and possible solutions are being explored. Mitochondria are known as the power plants of the cells because they generate the energy we need to live. However, this energy production produces free radicals, which can be harmful to our health. Free radicals are reactive molecules that can cause mutations and damage to our mitochondrial DNA, leading to aging. One potential solution to this damage is allotopic expression, a form of gene therapy that involves storing a backup of our mitochondrial DNA in the nucleus of our cells. This protects our genes from the constant exposure to free radicals and reduces the likelihood of genetic mutations. Key idea number 4. Junk inside and outside cells can contribute to aging, but can also be treated. Cells produce waste called lipofuscin that can't be properly disposed of, leading to aging and diseases like arteriosclerosis. Microbes in graveyard soil break down lipofuscin, suggesting that introducing these microbes into the body could process cellular waste. Amyloids, accumulated outside cells, can lead to Alzheimer's disease. immune system can get rid of amyloids, but a vaccination could speed up the process. Clearing out waste is important, but there are other ways to keep our bodies young. Key idea number 5. The prevention of cell loss and mutation is crucial in preventing cancer. By altering our body's processes, we have the potential to stop these causes of cancer. The gradual loss of cells is a central cause of aging. Creating new cells, such as through stem cell therapy, could help address this issue. However, there are political and moral debates surrounding the use of embryonic stem cells. These cells have the potential to turn into any type of cell in the body, making them valuable for regenerative medicine. Additionally, aging is associated with concerns like cancer, which occurs when DNA mutates with age. Deleting the telomerase gene could potentially prevent cancer by shortening the protective caps on chromosomes and allowing dangerous cells to die off. Stem cell therapy could be used to address the issue of cell expiration in this scenario. Key idea number 6. Ages and zombie cells can be targeted with drugs or enzymes to halt the aging process. AGEs, advanced glycation end products, are produced when sugars and other substances bind to proteins and accumulate in cells, leading to decreased functionality and potential diseases. A drug called allogebrium has shown positive results in clearing AGEs in animal tests, but the negative side effects outweigh the benefits in humans. Zombie cells, which resist death and continue to cause problems, can be eliminated by preventing their death through telomerase or using gene therapy to target and destroy them. These therapies carry risks but may be worth pursuing. Key idea number 7. Current therapies for humans have their flaws, but they serve as a solid foundation for treatment. The author proposes a plan called the Robust Mouse Rejuvenation, RMR, to convince the majority to support efforts in fighting aging. The plan involves treating 20 mice and expanding their lifespan from an average of 3 years to 5 years. The author also discusses the importance of accepting the possible deaths that may come with advancements in this field. Delays in drug approvals and slow progress hinder the prevention of casualties. The author hopes that the success of RMR will lead to quicker drug approvals and a shift in the ratio of lives lost, ultimately making aging no longer inevitable in the future. In conclusion, the book's key message is that aging is not inevitable and can be stopped using modern technologies and therapies. These techniques not only prevent the accumulation of damage in the body, but also reduce the risk of cancer and other fatal diseases. Further reading is suggested in the book 100+ by Sonia Arison, which explores the science and technology behind living longer and healthier lives and the implications for society. Thank you for listening to this summary. If you enjoyed this exploration, we invite you to discover other fascinating books on storyplanet.net. Don't wait any longer. A multitude of books, stories, and knowledge await you there. See you soon on storyplanet.net.